Come back again. Today I want you to pause and watch this short clip, and then we can perceive what the clip is all about. Now, the video is explaining or giving us a gist of what the man is doing on the farm. Let's have a statement on that. A contractor builds a rainwater collection system in the shape of a hemispherical tank of radius 2 meters to irrigate a 5,000 meter square farm. Each square meter of the farm requires 50 liters of water. Determine with a mathematical statement if a full tank of water will be sufficient to irrigate the farm. Take pi to be 22/7. So in this case, we know that you are supposed to know the quantity of water that that particular hemispherical tank will hold. So if you watch the video, the man was trying to find out whether the tank can be able to hold a quantity of water to fill and then water the farm. So in this case, if you want to know the amount of water that a particular container is holding, that means you to know the volume. Now, I hope you know the volume of a hemisphere. If you don't know the volume of a hemisphere, then I have to give you the volume. So the volume of a hemisphere, V, is equal to 2/3 pi r cubed. 2/3 pi r cubed. Now in this case, the question also gave us pi. So let's write our pi, 2/3 times 22/7 times the radius in the question. The radius is 2 meters. So 2 exponent 3. So here we can just use our calculator to do the simple magic to get our value. That is 2/3 times 20/7 times 2 exponent 3. And we are getting our value to be 16.76 meter cube. So we know that the volume or the quantity of water this hemispherical container is holding is 16.76 meter cube. So we have 16.76 meter cube. But we have to know that in this question, the quantity of water is being calculated in liters. So we have to change the meter cube to liters. So 1 cubic meter or meter cube is equal to 1,000 liters, right? So if we have 16.76 meter cube, then we have to find the value in liters. So let's do our arithmetic. You're going to have S is equal to cross multiply 16,000 times 16,000 times 16.76. And we are going to get our value. Let's do the calculation times 1,000. So we're going to have 16761 point so and so. So let's use 1676.1 liters. Let's use that. Now, so this is the quantity that this particular cylinder or this hemisphere is holding. Now, we need to know how much the field amount of water it can cover. So in the question, it says 50 liters, that is, requires 50 liters of water. Each square meter, it means 1 square meter is taking 50. So what will be 500 meter square? So 500 meter square times the 50 will give us 25,000 liters. In terms of liters, that will give us 25,000 liters. So now let's get our mathematical statement. Just let's compare the amount of water held by the hemisphere is less. So 16761 liter is less than 25,000 liter. This means that the field or the hemisphere cannot water the full 500 meter square field. So the quantity in the tank cannot water the field. So I want you to do your difference and find out how much is left to complete the watering of the field. Have a nice day. Please take some time to subscribe and click on your notification so that I get more videos as we learn. I'll be